Solving two-step equations. So here we take the variables which are divided with negative integer. So example for this, so we write it as x divided with -2. So the variable is x, it's divided with negative integer. So m divided with -4. So variable is m divided by -4. Example 1. So m divided with -2 plus 6 equals 2. So the variable is m. It's divided by a negative integer now. So first we do the step. This is positive 6. So we subtract 6 on both sides. This is the first step. So -6 -6. So this m divided by -2. This 6 and -6 cancels out. So we get this equals 2 and -6. So it will be -4. So m divided by -2 equals -4. So to isolate the variable m, it is divided by -2. So we do the opposite operation for this. So we times it with -2. So this one -2 and 2 they cancels out. So we are left with m equals, so -4 times -2, so it will be +8. So m equals +8 is the answer for this. Example 2. A divided with -4. -2 equals 6. So a is the variable and it is divided with the negative integer. And here we have -2. So the opposite operation for this. So we add 2 on both sides. So this comes down. So a divided by -4. These two cancels out. This is equal to 6 plus 2. So it's 8. So we have a divided by -4 equals 8. Now to isolate the variable a, which is divided with -4. So we do the opposite operation. So we times it with -4 on both sides. So this -4 and -4 cancels out. So we are left with a equals 8 times -4, so which is -32. So a is equal to -32 is the answer for this. Example 3. So it is -x divided by 3 plus 14 equals 2. So here we see that the minus sign is with the variable. So first step is we rewrite this equation. We will move this minus sign with this 3. So we rewrite it as x divided by, and this minus sign now comes in the bottom, and we write plus 14 equals 2. So rest of the terms are same. So the first step, this is plus 14. So we subtract 14 on both sides. So 14 and -14 cancels out. So this is your x divided with -3 equals 2 and -14, so which is -12. So we have x divided by -3 equals -12. So here the variable x is divided with the negative integer -3. So to isolate the variable, we do the opposite operation. So we times it by -3 on both sides. So this -3 and -3 cancels out. So we are left with x equals, so -12 times -3, so it will be positive 36. So x is equal to 36 is the answer for this. Same way example 4. So it is minus p. So again the minus sign is with the variable. So first step is we'll take this to the bottom and make this denominator number as negative. So we'll write it as p divided with -5. So this minus sign we will move to the bottom. Rest of the terms will write the same. So plus 10 equals 2. So it is plus 10. So we do the opposite operation. So minus 10 and minus 10 on both sides. 10 and minus 10 gets cancelled. So this is brought down now. So p divided by negative 5. This is equals to 2 minus 10, which is minus 8. So we write p divided by minus 5 equals minus 8. So the variable p is divided with negative 5. So we do the opposite operation. So we times it with minus 5 now. So minus 5 and minus 5 cancels out. So we are left with p equals minus 8 times minus 5. So both negative. So it will be positive. So positive 40. So p is equal to positive 40 is the answer for this. Try these questions and check your answers. Thank you.